N3. It's your turn, Oppo.
2016년 12월, 당신은 세상에 없던 새로운 폰을 만나게 됩니다.
Rugged smartphone. It fits in the palm of your hand, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. A portable, powerful, and reliable companion for any outdoor activity. Specially designed to be compact, convenient, and much smaller than other rugged outdoor phones. Yet still packed with performance and features that keep you connected with any 4G network. The fingerprint scanner lets you quickly unlock the screen for fast access to phone and camera, so you won't miss any important calls or photos. The Atom includes a handy clip that makes it easy to carry securely for any outdoor activities. Although it's tiny in size, it comes with a 2000 mAh built-in battery, more than sufficient for your daily outdoor usage. Atom runs the powerful Android 8.1 operating system, an octa-core processor, and 64 gigabit storage, so that you can watch HD video, play the latest games, and use your favorite apps on the go. Thanks to the IP68 waterproof rating, you can bring it for swimming, snorkeling, or diving, and even shoot underwater photos. The Atom is a stylish phone that is perfect for busy, modern lives. It's compact, looks good, and always ready to go anywhere your day takes you. After our first successful Kickstarter campaign for Jelly last year, we are back with our second product. Atom is our vision for the ultimate rugged phone. Our experienced team put a lot of effort into design, development, and testing, and now we are ready to launch. We couldn't have made it this far without the support of the Kickstarter community, so we are back here with Atom. Pledge now and be the first to receive Atom. Thanks for the support.